Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are gonna talk about the most expensive breed of birds in the world. Birds are amazing creatures and some of them come with a hefty price tag. So let's dive in and explore these beautiful expensive birds. Birds come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, and some of them can even be quite expensive. In this video, we are gonna take a look at the most expensive breed of birds in the world. Whether you are a bird lover or just curious about the world's most expensive pets, you won't want to miss this. First of all, we'll be grateful to subscribe us and please turn on notification button to be notified of the next video. Number 1. Hyacinth macaw, native to South America. The hyacinth macaw is the largest parrot species in the world and can cost up to $20,000. These birds are highly intelligent and make great pets for experienced bird owners. Number 2. Palm cockatoo. This stunning blackbird with a bright red crest can cost up to $16,000. They are highly sought after for their beautiful appearance and their ability to mimic human speech. Number 3. Golden conure. Also known as the Queen of Bavaria, this bird has a brilliant golden yellow color and can cost up to $8,000. They are native to South America and make great pets for experienced bird owners. Number 4. Taco toucan. With its distinctive long, colorful beak, the taco toucan is a favorite among bird enthusiasts. These birds can cost up to $5,000 and require a lot of space to live comfortably. Number 5. Green aracari. This small, colorful bird is part of the toucan family and can cost up to $4,000. They are highly social and require a lot of interaction with their owners to stay happy and healthy. Number 6. Goffin's cockatoo. Known for their playful and social nature, Goffin's cockatoos are highly sought after pets and can cost up to $3,000. They require a lot of attention and interaction from their owners to thrive. Number 7. African gray parrot. One of the most intelligent bird species, African gray parrots are highly prized for their ability to mimic human speech. They can cost up to $2,000 and require a lot of mental stimulation to stay healthy. Number 8. Blue and gold macaw. With their striking blue and yellow feathers, blue and gold macaws are one of the most recognizable bird species in the world. They can cost up to $2,000 and require a lot of space to live comfortably. Number 9. Scarlet macaw. Another highly sought after mako species. The scarlet mako has brilliant red, yellow, and blue feathers. They can cost up to $1,500 and require a lot of interaction with their owners to stay healthy. Number 10. Moluccan cockatoo. These large, colorful birds are highly social and require a lot of attention and interaction from their owners. They can cost up to $1,500 and make great pets for experienced bird owners. There you have it, 10 of the most expensive bird breeds in the world. Whether you are a bird lover or just curious about the world's most expensive pets, these beautiful creatures are definitely worth learning about. So this video finished. Thanks for your watching. I hope it can be helpful. Tell us which breed you like the most in comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Stay tuned. See you!